Are you staring at your crypto portfolio, wondering if you've just accidentally sent your life savings to a digital void? Maybe you're locked out of your account, or perhaps you're just trying to figure out how to navigate the wild west of staking rewards. Whatever it is, you're looking for help, and you're thinking, does Kraken even have customer support? That's a question that plagues a lot of us in the crypto world. We're dealing with cutting-edge technology, volatile markets, and sometimes, things just go sideways. And when they do, you need someone, anyone, to throw you a lifeline. So, let's dive deep into the murky waters of Kraken's customer support and see if they're actually there when you need them. First off, let's look at what Kraken officially offers. They have a comprehensive support center, accessible right from their website. It's packed with articles, FAQs, and guides covering everything from account setup to advanced trading strategies. You can search for specific issues, browse categories, and even find tutorials on using their platform. Screen recording shows various sections of the support center, with highlighted keywords. This self-service approach is pretty standard in the tech world. It's efficient, scalable, and allows you to find answers quickly if your issue is common. But here's the catch: what happens when your problem isn't in the FAQ? What if you're facing a unique, complex, or downright bizarre situation? That's where the real test of customer support begins. Kraken offers a few different channels for direct support. The most prominent is their live chat. It's touted as a quick and efficient way to get help in real time. But, and this is a big but, the availability and quality of this chat support can be variable. You'll find stories of users getting their issues resolved within minutes, praising the responsiveness and helpfulness of the support agents. And then, you'll find the horror stories. Long wait times, generic responses, and even outright unhelpful agents. It seems like the experience can depend heavily on the time of day, the specific issue, and frankly, the luck of the draw. During periods of high market volatility, when everyone and their grandmother is trying to buy or sell crypto, the support channels can get absolutely swamped. This leads to longer wait times, frustrated users, and a general sense of chaos. It's a bit like trying to call a pizza place on Super Bowl Sunday. Beyond live chat, Kraken also has a ticket system. You can submit a detailed description of your issue, attach relevant screenshots, and wait for a response. This is often the preferred method for more complex problems that require a more in-depth investigation. But again, patience is key. Response times can vary significantly, sometimes taking days or even weeks. I had an issue with a withdrawal that was stuck for days. I submitted a ticket, and honestly, I was worried I'd lost my money. The response took a few days, but they were thorough and eventually resolved the problem. It was stressful, but they did come through in the end. That's a common theme, eventual resolution, but often after a period of anxious waiting. It's not ideal, especially when you're dealing with your hard-earned money. Kraken also maintains a presence on social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit. While these aren't official support channels in the traditional sense, they can be a valuable resource for getting quick updates, finding community solutions, and even escalating issues that haven't been resolved through other channels. However, relying on social media for support is a gamble. You're at the mercy of the community's willingness to help, and there's no guarantee of an official response from Kraken. It's more of a supplementary resource than a primary support channel. So, what's the verdict? Does Kraken have customer support? Yes, they do. But it's not without its flaws. Self-service resources, they have a robust support center with articles and FAQs. Live chat, it's available, but the quality and availability can be inconsistent. Ticket system, useful for complex issues, but response times can be slow. Social media, a supplementary resource, not a primary support channel. Variability, the overall experience can vary significantly depending on the issue, time of day, and market conditions. The truth is, providing consistent and high-quality customer support in the rapidly evolving and often chaotic world of cryptocurrency is a massive challenge. Kraken, like many other exchanges, is constantly trying to balance growth, security, and customer service. They're dealing with a huge influx of new users, complex technical issues, and the ever-present threat of scams and hacks. It's a tough job, and they don't always get it right. But it's also worth noting that they're not alone. Many crypto exchanges struggle with customer support. So, what can you do to maximize your chances of getting help when you need it? Be patient, understand that response times can vary. Be specific, provide as much detail as possible when submitting a ticket or using live chat. Use screenshots and videos, visual evidence can be invaluable. Explore the support center, you might find the answer you're looking for without contacting support. Consider using social media, but don't rely on it as your primary support channel. Keep records, document all your interactions with support. Ultimately, the best approach is to be proactive. Educate yourself, understand the risks, and take steps to protect your account. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Prevention is always better than cure. And remember, the crypto world is still relatively new. We're all learning as we go. So, be patient, be persistent, and don't be afraid to ask for help. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.